In today's video, I'm going to share 5 of the most popular fruits and veggies for the month of November. The days are shorter. The nights are, a little bit colder, and the leaves are changing color. All this can be expressed in this simple yet effective phrase, hallelujah, y'all.
Never give up when the going gets rough.
Hey, everyone. It's officially November, and you know there's a shaker of pumpkin spice being used as we speak. I mean, am I right? Am I right? But in all seriousness, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 of the most popular fruits and veggies for the month of November. You probably already have some in mind. This is a list I pulled together from several online sources, and lucky for you, we stock all of them. All of them. Ha! If you're watching on YouTube, timestamps are in the descriptions below. Let's get started. Number 1, apples. Washington had new crops that arrived this past August and September. You won't really see a shortage of apples across the year anyways. However, we are starting to see those toy apples start to arrive. The little crab apples arrived the other week. We are also expecting green dragon and hidden rose apples this week. Apples are a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. And you know I like fiber. You can enjoy them a variety of ways, baked or grilled. Next up, pears. Bartlett pears wrapped up last month, and we welcomed the Andrew pears a couple of weeks back. You'll find most commodity pears are going to be year-round. Some pears you like to keep an eye on, like the Comis pear or the Seckel pears. The Comis pear is also known as the Christmas pear. These pears are one of the best pears you can get to eat fresh. When ripe, these pears are sweet and juicy. However, I would not use them for cooking. It's just too much juice. They're perfect for a quick snack while you're on the go. Third on the list, sweet potatoes. I mean, sweet potatoes are pretty much year-round. But when you think of Thanksgiving and the number of houses cooking candy yams, I mean, it's been one of my favorite desserts. Candy yams with marshmallow. There's nothing vegetable about sweet potato, brown sugar, and marshmallows is a dessert. Fight me on it. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, vitamin A, and potassium. And no fiber in this one. Some fiber. They're perfect for a side dish, or you can even add it to your favorite soup or chili recipe, huh? Fourth on the list, cranberries. I think they're probably one of the most November fruits you can think of. The fresh cranberry season peaks this time of year. They're perfect for adding to your favorite recipes or even just eating straight out of the bag. And finally, 5th on the list, winter squashes. This has one of the most diverse selections out there, from red curry. Now, I just did a video on the red curry squash, so don't forget to check that out. I'll have it in the link around this mark of the video. They can be cooked a variety of ways, from roasted to purees to soup. Apples, pears, sweet potatoes, cranberries, winter squashes. Don't let the cold weather keep you from enjoying any of these fruits and vegetables. I'm Carlos Nino. Thank you so much for joining us. You can find us on any of our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And remember, Chefs was founded by chefs for chefs. We'll see you next week.